Welcome to Tech in the Car. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Last year, Samsung released this, the Galaxy Fold, the original, and it was a game changer in terms of technology. It was the first foldable phone that Samsung had ever released, and it was a revolution, and people weren't sure what to make of it. Now, a year later, they've released the follow-up, the Fold 2, and I am unbelievably excited to get my hands on this thing. In my review of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, I said that it was the best phone of the year, but if it had one weakness, it was that the screen was a bit too small on the front, which meant it hard to touch the icons and open apps and type text messages, even with predictive text. Well, Samsung has fixed that with the Fold 2. It's now much larger. It's 6.2 inches. What about the inside screen? That was already 7.2 inches, but now that's been increased to 7.6 inches. And that ugly camera notch, gone. The new Galaxy Fold 2 has a pinhole camera on the inside screen, and it also has a pinhole camera on the outside screen, which allows for that larger display. What about the inside? It's now ultra thin glass, just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, which means it will feel better to touch and it will be harder and less prone to scratches. Samsung has also re-engineered the hinge. The hinge, which actually, when they updated it to remove the gaps at the top, has been a fantastically reliable part of this phone. It's been updated to work also like the Z Fold and allow you to stop at certain points when it's open and have it in a clamshell kind of mode like this, although they haven't actually announced what percentages along the way you'll be able to use it. You can see in the demo videos that they've released how it will look. Samsung have also updated the external cameras, with all three updated to be 12 megapixel cameras. The primary camera, a 12 megapixel f1.8, the secondary ultra wide is an f2.2, and the telephoto is an f2.4. And don't forget, the front cameras are both 10 megapixels for selfies on the outside and on the inside with the new pinhole design. As for the specs, it's going to have 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is a reduction from the original Galaxy Fold, which had 512 gigabytes. The one thing Samsung have not announced yet is a release date, although they've said it will be available in September. They also haven't released a price, although I'd like to think with the reduced storage, it might be a little less than the original Galaxy Fold. There will be two colors, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. What do I think of these changes? The Galaxy Fold was a fantastic phone. It's still the phone that I use every day. I love the ability to open it up and get a massive screen. With an even bigger screen on the inside, plus a much larger, more usable screen on the outside, and better cameras, and a better new design, because it's going to have a metal design all over now instead of having glass on the back. This is something which I'm really excited to get my hands on. It will of course be available in a 5G version, like the UK version, European versions are anyway. I don't think there's going to be a non-5G version, but it is missing out a bit in the cameras. The Note 20 announced today and the Samsung S20 announced earlier in the year both had periscope style cameras which allowed zooming to much higher numbers, and that isn't in the Galaxy Fold. Nevertheless, it should be really exciting to see the Z Fold 2, and I can't wait to get my hands on it and review it for the channel. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.